breaking update. The Punjab police has now arrested yet another YouTuber identified as Jasbir Singh in connection with its ongoing crackdown on suspicious digital activities. Now, sources say that Jasbir, who operated a channel, Jaan Mahal, was closely associated with Jyoti Malhotra and the Pakistan-based individual Shakir. And the arrest is now part of a larger investigation into digital networks that were suspected of peddling Pakistani propaganda and facilitating cross-border links as well. So as far as the arrest of a YouTuber is concerned, we are looking at strict monitoring that is also happening on several YouTube channels and on the content as well. What is now being played out on social media, that is now being scrutinized for pro-Pakistan agenda by some of those YouTubers and influencers that have been showcasing in their videos that have now come under strict scrutiny. So this is the other kind of strikes that are now being carried out within the country as part of Operation Cleanup, where multiple arrests across states that have also taken place of individuals who are suspected to have been working at the behest of Pakistan. So that is a development that is now taking place as far as yet another arrest that is now taking place. And this is in link with the arrest of Jyoti Malhotra, the YouTuber there. And this arrest that has now been made by Punjab police. Now, state police and central agencies that are working together for the crackdown when it comes to the spy racket or the spy nexus that has been spreading, especially in the border states. We have seen high-profile arrests that have also been taking place, Priyank. Now, this is another development that is now linked to Jyoti Malhotra case. What is the action taken by the Punjab police?
Yes, Sati, this is an important development which is happening in the case, Amita, because Jyoti Malhotra was arrested and Jaan Mahal was the one who had gone to Pakistan along with Jyoti Malhotra. So during the course of the investigation, his role was also under suspected scrutiny by the intelligence officers. What we found that during the fourth visit of Jyoti Malhotra, Jaan Mahal, alias Jasbir, was also along with her, and he was also trying to paint the good picture of Pakistan. So basically, he was trying to put in the false narrative of Pakistan. You can be amazed that when he was taken to one of the mall, with the videos which we can also see on a TV screen, it was, although the videos are from India, but during his visit, he was trying to portray that the malls of Pakistan are having all the kind of products, but Indians are not. He was actually trying to show that whatever is being the real facts which the Indian agencies have been trying to point out has been a false lie, because of which Jaan Mahal was certainly seized of scrutiny. Agencies have already gone through his bank account details, the kind of sponsorship which he was getting, similar to what Jyoti Malhotra was also getting, was under scrutiny, because of which Jaan Mahal has now been put under arrest by SOG of the Punjab police. We know for the fact that the main case of Jyoti Malhotra was of the Hisar police. Taking the top of that, further investigation was done, and after investigation, what it appears that Jaan Mahal has been arrested by the agencies.
Right, but Priyank, it seems that the links are similar as far as the arrest of Jyoti Malhotra is concerned. YouTube, the content, and also links with the Pakistani High Commission.
Yes, Sati, because these are the two YouTubers who wanted to go to Pakistan, but because of their denial by the Pakistan High Commission for visa, they could not get it. We have to understand that they were from northern part of India, so obviously there's been major population in the northern part of India from Punjab and Haryana and Hisar, who some have seen that there some relatives have stayed back in Pakistan, and taking that emotional advantage, these YouTubers were trying to
मनोज भी हमारे साथ जुड़ गए, एक जवाब उनसे भी हम ले लेते हैं। मनोज, ये जो गिरफ्तारी की गई है पंजाब पुलिस की तरफ से, कौन है ये जसबीर सिंह और उसके क्या लिंक बताए जा रहे हैं जहां तक ज्योति मल्होत्रा के साथ और पाकिस्तान हाई कमीशन के साथ?
मनोज, देखिए एक बड़ी गिरफ्तारी हुई है पंजाब से रूपनगर से। दरअसल ज्योति मल्होत्रा की गिरफ्तारी के बाद से ही लगातार जो पंजाब पुलिस है जसबीर सिंह पर नजर बनाए हुए थी, क्योंकि जसबीर सिंह के कई वीडियो सामने आए थे ज्योति मल्होत्रा के साथ पाकिस्तान में, जहां वो एक साथ घूम रहे हैं, वीडियो ब्लॉगिंग कर रहे हैं, लोगों से बातें कर रहे हैं, और उसके बाद से पुलिस इसकी एक्टिविटीज पर नजर रखे हुए थी और अब पंजाब पुलिस ने गिरफ्तार किया है। और जसबीर सिंह को भी इस बात का पता था। पुलिस ने यह भी जानकारी दी है कि उसने अपने मोबाइल से, लैपटॉप से कुछ डाटा डिलीट करने की कोशिश की है, कुछ नंबर डिलीट करने की कोशिश की है, कुछ चैट जो थी जो पाकिस्तानी इंटेलिजेंस ऑफिसर्स के साथ उसने की थी वो डिलीट करने की भी कोशिश की है, लेकिन उनको रिकवर किया जा रहा है। और पंजाब पुलिस के पास पुख्ता सबूत है कि ये पंजाब इंटेलिजेंस ऑफिसर जो पाकिस्तानी खुफिया एजेंसी से है उनके संपर्क में था। पाकिस्तान नेशनल डे के मौके पर दिल्ली भी गया था और इसको भी दानिश ने बुलाया था। दानिश वही शख्स है जो ज्योति मल्होत्रा के संपर्क में था, ज्योति मल्होत्रा जिसकी वजह से गई थी। तो लिंक आपस में जुड़ते हुए नजर आ रहे
तार सेम वही लिंक से जुड़ते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं, चाहे वो ज्योति मल्होत्रा हो, कंटेंट हो यूट्यूब या सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म पर, और सीधे तार जो पाकिस्तान हाई कमीशन से भी जुड़ते हुए यहां पे नजर आ रहे हैं विद रिगार्ड्स टू दिस अरेस्ट दैट हैज नाउ बीन मेड बाय पंजाब पुलिस। प्रियांक एंड मनोज, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर जॉइनिंग इन, हेडिंग इनटू अ शॉर्ट ब्रेक।